Hello, people. So there is this show that I saw yesterday. This crime documentary series called Elize Mata Nunga. Once Upon a Crime. You'll find this show on Netflix, and it is all about this lady based in Brazil. This true life story of this lady who murders her husband, and like he happens to be one of the wealthiest people in Brazil, but she murders him, dismembers his body, and then throws it all across this certain jungle in Brazil. So it's this is a four-part series about how this lady is finally caught and her the trial and all. So finally she was sentenced to 19 years in prison, 19 or close to 20 years in prison. But it is, and she did all of this because that husband threatened to not let her see her child in case they get divorced, because the husband was cheating on her and all. So I don't know, yeah, like when I watch this whole series, no, it's like the entire it's from her point of view. We are told about how what she went through when she decided to finally kill that guy, and it was more like a crime of passion. They were having an argument, and this particular couple, they were so rich that they had like a arsenal of guns with them in their house. So it's quite natural that she picked it up, and she kind of, it was just in a matter of seconds the guy was gone. And in fact, she says this, she says, if only I had used my brain at that moment, her life would have been different, the trajectory of her life. So a show like this is very thought provoking. So it's a documentary series, and it's on Netflix, and it's called Elize. Elize Matanunga. It's some Japanese surname, and it is Once Upon a Crime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.